No, of course.
Nako. Agay. Ang mas. Kulit. Agay. Tadi malamputaan ni kalambing lang. Agay. Tay. May sita ni mo eh. Agay. Uy. Agay. Goy. Di malamputaan. Agay. Bigyan na siya palupig. Oy. Lo. Agay. I know. You had time mo. May andada. Down. Kulit. Kulit. Down. Down. Ay. May Agay, kasakit. Ini mas. Limot nagtae. Bahok nagtae. May iro gani ka, wa jud kay tarong kuan. Ay. Hawa ya. Agi.
Kulit.
Kulit.
Jos. Jos.
Mention her name.
Kulit Jos.
Like that. Okay, kulit pa. Okay. Payutan ni matay iro. Labo patanis matay anak. Okay.
Jos. Hey. Jos. 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 Jos.
Kulit. Kulit. Huy. Huy. Huy, ka-spoil na ba ka mo? Huy. What you doing? Da. Uy, ginawa ko. Okay, naman ay. Hindi mo balahibo, spread everywhere. Hey, hey. Out.
Jos.
Just leave it there. Because... Hey. Ayos ko. Move a little bit there. Okay, ako. She's busy there.
What's she doing?
Licking her. Pause. You have to move there.
I move.
You have lots of space there.
No.
Anak po siya, ano, limpyuhanan ko na po, naugma. Limpyuhanan ko na po, ugma na po do. Yan ito ng tawgon. My love. Wait. Face it. Nah, if we face, she doesn't want. Okay.
Kulit Jos.
Look at what.
Kulit. Jos. Jos. Come on. Kulit. Jos. Jos.
She doesn't want. She can't listen.
Jos. 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 Jos.
Okay, my love, my love, she will bite.
Move away.
Love you, my love.
I love you.
Hug me like mo.
No, it's not. She's.
Because you say something to her.
Yeah.
She's upset. She's upset. Hello? She's upset. Yeah. She's upset.
Hi, Charlie. Hi.
She's upset. Okay. You know how to upset? You upset Dada? You upset Dada? Oh, you upset Dada. You upset Dad. Again. Don't do that, Dylan. Don't do that. See what you're doing? Oh my goodness. Baga. But you bad breath. You don't buy her treats, my love. You know the stuff that she can eat and you know the bad breath?
Yeah.